With just a year to go before the next general elections, the government has announced its plan to set up 5 central universities where 50% seats will be reserved for students from minority communities. Not too long ago, the government's move to reserve 4.5% seats in the OBC category for Muslims first got a thumbs down from the Election Commission just ahead of the Uttar Pradesh elections, and then the Supreme Court said there can't be reservations on the basis of religion. The political significance of both these attempts not lost on anyone.
According to the 2001 census, of all the 18% of minorities in the country, Muslims account for over 13%. The government says it's acting on an old proposal, but given the timing of the move coming as it does, with just a year to go before the general elections, it's already raising questions.
Congress only believes in appeasement and rhetoric. They do not deliver anything on the ground.
This government has been in power for more than 9 years. It has done nothing for minorities, especially for Muslims.
The decision is in line with recommendations of the Sachar committee that said over 6 years ago that Muslims are worse off than even scheduled castes in terms of education. But the government justifies the decision even though it has come almost 5 years after the idea was first mooted.
I have been entrusted the responsibility only 6 months back. I am not worried by the accusation. I am doing my job. The party is doing, the government is doing its responsibility. That to me, the government should not take the initiative just because it is last year of the government. No, it's not.
So is this a carrot dangling exercise ahead of the next general elections or a genuine attempt to uplift minorities? The proposal still has a long way to go and will need the approval of Parliament. But with it coming in the last year of this government's term, no doubt, whatever the intentions, politics won't be far from it. In New Delhi, Keith Kiangre for NDTV.